Question 1. Which is greater? We have different questions. We have to find which one amongst them is greater. We have to compare them. So first A part, we check first the tens part. Here it is 3, other side it is 4. So clearly 3 is smaller. Therefore we will write as 0.3 is smaller than. This is the sign for smaller than to 0.4. So that makes our A part. Now B part. We have a 0 on both the cases. 0 in tens place. In hundredths place, 0.07 is greater as compared to 0.02. Therefore, greater than sign. That makes our B part. C. 3 has no decimal in it. Therefore, it is a whole number. Therefore, it is having no decimal. Therefore, it is greater than 0.8. 3 is greater than 0.8. That's how we'll represent it. D part. In tens place, we have 5. Whereas in other, we have 0. Clearly, 5 is greater. Therefore, 0.5 is greater than 0.05. That makes our D part. E part. We have tenths, same 2, ones, same 1. But here, look, 3 is greater than, here we have 0. Where it is nothing written, let it be 0. 1.23 is greater than 1.2. And don't pronounce it 1.23. Here. What we have in tenths part, compare tenths part. Here it is 0, their side is 1. Therefore, 0.099 is less than 0.19. Now, G part. Here, again, when there is nothing written, compare it as 0. Therefore, both the numbers are equal. H part. Compare hundredths part. Here we have 3, here we have 9. Therefore, 1.431 is smaller than 1.490. That makes our H part. I. Here again, nothing written. Write it as 0, 0. Hence you can see both the digits are equal. Last part, J part. Here hundredths part is different. Look, it is 4 here, other side it is 0. Therefore, 5.64 is greater than 5.603. So that makes our question number 1. So similarly, you have to do such type of questions. Question 2. Make 5 more examples and find the greater number from them. So we'll do the same procedure as we did earlier in question number first, but here we have to select numbers by our own. and we have to then compare them and put signs accordingly. So 0.008, let it be a box, and we'll compare it with 0.080. So clearly hundredths part is different. In second it is greater. Similarly, let's choose second part, 1.85. Again we'll compare in this box, 0.85. So clearly in the whole part, first one is greater. Third, 0.002, we will compare it with 0.002. So it is clearly visible both the terms are equal. Just put 0 here. You can choose any such digits. 1.862. Let's compare it with 1.682. So here tens part is greater as compared to 6, therefore greater than sign. Last part, 1.7625. Let's compare it with 1.7624. Here all the digits are equivalent and the last one is not, that is 5 is greater than 4, therefore greater than sign. So in this way you can choose any of the examples that comes into your mind. You just have to select them by watching them and comparing them with the digits. That's your answer.